Jai Bhim, friends. I've seen the message of Mr. Venkateshwarlu, Senior Manager, Regional Office, Nagpur. The message is addressed to Bala Ramesh and Hanumantapu Garu and Rajendra Kumar. It's me. Though it's addressed to three persons, actually he has concentrated on me. But I can 100% say it was drafted by his mentors, perhaps. He is just a stooge in their hands. He does not know anything. He does not know. Dear friend and other friends, it may be Sunil Manohar, previously in Facebook. It may be many friends who are not aware of the things, who are ignorant of the things. You are not aware of the things. You should know about it. First, I should thank you. I didn't say I'm a tall and strong leader. I didn't say. In my wiki video, kindly review again. Huh? You are describing me, I'm a tall and strong leader. I'm really happy about it. I'm really happy about it. But you're concentrating on me, the present general secretary, and other things you ignored. And you're talking about me, why you're still after retirement. My dear friend, I don't have that much time. Really, I'm telling you. I have my own job. I don't have that much time. Do you know? This is the entire welfare association in this one, in the history of the banks, especially. After two terms, I have stepped down. When everybody is requesting me to stay, I have stepped down after two terms. Whether you don't know. Most probably you don't know. Whether you are from Andhra Bank, I don't know. Even if you're Andhra Bank, you are not aware of the history of the Andhra Bank. My dear friend, in Andhra Bank, there was an association for 24 years, from 84 to around 2009. We have formed an association, new association, in 2008. It was recognized in 2009. But what happened till that time? Few people, they are getting retention after transferring, also after getting promotion also. They are getting retention. Just like Union Bank, it's happened. Huh? Somebody from Telangana promoted and kept there only. I think in Mumbai it is happening. They're just only for the promotion sake or retention sake. They are the leaders. It was happening in Andhra Bank also. After forming our association, after two terms, I have been transferred to Orissa. I went there. Then Meerut, I went there. I didn't keep the post and I didn't stay at Hyderabad. You are not aware of it, my dear friend. We have developed youth leaders. I conduct youth convention, again, the trade union history or welfare association. We were the first to conduct youth convention. I am telling we, not I. Please remember about it. We, as association, as a leadership, the collective leadership. Friends, you please tell me, give me the answer. What about the so many people in the scale 3? Why they were kept in the scale 3? So many people were kept in the scale 4. Why they were kept in the scale 4? In Union Bank SCST Association. You please give me the answer. Why it's happened? Why the association is doing? What are your achievements? I told there were 5 GMs. There are only 2 GMs. There are several DGMs. What about you? UBI association. You are telling majority, only one association. I told you in Andhra Bank 25 hours only one association. It's not the majority. I told you again, it's the guts, courage. I cannot ask somebody from youth. There are several people in Union Bank also. There are several people, not Andhra Bank. Every Union Bank, Andhra Bank, Corporation Bank. There are several leaders. There is no dearth of leadership, my dear friend. Friend, you're talking about ST Association. In the same time, 84 and 86, this is the ST Association formed. Do you know what was their membership? Below 100. In my entire period also, it was kept below 100 only. It didn't grow. Later on, perhaps, the reasons, I think somebody knows about it. There were association in Union Bank also. In the Kandivan Association. It is there in the Union Bank. Huh? Why you are not taking care of the Kandivan? Huh? Why? He is also a tall and big leader and strong leader. Mr. Kandivan is a good leader. Huh? Why he differed? Like that, so many people there. Without any knowledge, you are I think just your mentors or your people, perhaps they have drafted it and you have just sent message with your name. It happens. STs, you're talking about STs, ST leadership. Do you know who developed ST leadership in Andhra Bank? E-Andhra Bank. It was our association. We have given one post compulsorily. We made president later on. The Raju Naik, with you people, no, with you people. He was he was developed. He was leadership qualities are imbibed to him. Yashwant, there are several leaders. I am proud of them. I am proud of them. STs. Don't think uh, without knowing facts, the message is drafted. Without knowing fact, perhaps the Union Bank people might have drafted it. Had it been Andhra Bank people, the senior people, they know about our association. Please introspect. Who is power monger? Do we? Had I been power monger, I would not have left the association. I would have stayed in the Hyderabad continuously. I have gone to the Orissa, I have gone to the Meerut, I have gone to the Srikakulam. Friends, after the merger also, not for the power, due representation. That due representation is advocated by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. That is what we are demanding. We were majority, Andhra Bank Association was majority in Andhra, Telangana, Orissa and Chennai. Corporation Bank is majority in Bangalore, entire Karnataka. After merger, what you should do it? You should give preference to the Andhra Bank and this Corporation Bank Welfare Association. You are asking us to merge with the association who is having only 200, 300 membership in Telangana, whereas we are having 1600, 1700 in Telangana. Whereas Andhra we are having 2000, they are having 250, 260, and you are talking, you merge it, and our leaders, that is who are leading for 200, 300 people, they will be the leaders. You could not convince them. You could not convince, who are the power mongers? You could not convince two state leaders, state general secretaries, Telangana and Andhra, who are failures. You could not convince two, not entire northern state. Had the Corporation Bank and Andhra Bank properly merged, would have been majority. Can we ask the entire bank, entire north, we will go for our this thing. You have to merge with us. That is not proper. You share. We are also leaders. You are also leaders. I am not saying you are not leaders. You people are also leaders. My dear friends, you are also leaders. There are several leaders. Several excellent leaders in Union Bank of India, E-Andhra Bank, E-Corporation Bank. Don't underestimate anything. Nobody is inferior here. I am not talking. I am not saying I am taller. Never said. My dear friends, you people, I think your leaders, I am talking about Venkateshwarlu, but I know that this was drafted by your leaders, diet leaders. They are telling in northern states that the Rajendra Kumar and other people are coming to us, but we are not accepting. Rajendra Kumar and other people are coming, we are not accepting. But the thanks to them, because they are confessing there. In UP they have confessed. They are coming, we are not accepting it. Now you tell me, who is obstructing the unity? You tell me. They themselves are telling that they are coming to us, but we are not accepting it. Yes, we went to court. That's why we went to court. Union Bank people, when we are majority in Andhra, Telangana, Chennai, Tamil Nadu and Orissa, Karnataka, you are not giving representation and you want to talk on behalf of us. Yes, we went to court. You people are telling that, what is that? Hard earned money. Hard earned money. How much, what is your salary? How much you are contributing? We mean some members contributing hardly 100 rupees. But still, this association is working, stopping. As self-respect, every member of SST version of Union Bank, they felt happy. Yes, we went to court and our leaders participated. I have not participated, my dear friend. Our leaders participated. That is a proud moment for us. Again, just ignoring the court judgment. Again, circular has been given, stating that only Union Bank SST version is the majority and they will participate in FGM level and regional office level. FGM house and regional office level. I told you, we are majority in the southern states. You are ignoring us. Instead of sailing together, you want to ignore us, you want to crush us. Friend, again we went to court. What we spent is okay. That's a small amount. Officer, any officer is feeling. The officers are seeing perhaps 100 rupees is more for us. We are defending. Though we minority or majority, doesn't matter for us. Whether we will protect you or not, that is matter. If you have the majority, if you have this thing, if you won't talk, the leaders won't talk. If they are kattappas to the management, kattappa, bahubali kattappas, definitely no use at all. If we have the guts, definitely, yes, at wherever you are, we will definitely protect you people. Discipline matter. Come to us. We can draft the reply. We can defend your cases. Promotions, if you are not getting promotion, come to us. We will fight with the management why they are not giving promotions. Postings, we will fight with the management. Please come to us, whoever it may be, whether you are a member or not, come to our association. We will protect you, we will fight. My dear friends in the top leaders, the tall and strong leaders of the Union Bank, friends, you are ignoring us. You want to crush us. We are not going to succumb. We are not going to succumb. We will fight back. We will fight back. We will fight. I told you in the beginning, we are ready to for a merger. But few things we asked. Wherever majority is there, he should be given a general secretary. Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka. Karnataka Corporation Bank is the majority. The general secretary post should go to them. That you could not able to convince your own leaders. I am telling my dear friends, if you cannot convince, if you go on this dictatorship, ultimately, people will join in North also with our associations. Now our association, we are ready to give general secretary post to the Union Bank people who is having courage. We are ready to give general secretary post to the Union Bank people. Our Bala Ramesh, general secretary, Sri Bala Ramesh, he will not say, no, sir, I will be the general secretary. He will not say. If any person who is having guts, if comes, we are ready to give the general secretary post to the Union Bank people. I am telling, it's an open invitation to the people. If you think you can crush us, it's not possible, my dear friends. I am telling to all the people who thinks that they can crush us with the support of the management. It is not possible. We will fight. We cannot succumb. You cannot crush us. We are the followers of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We will just raise our voice. We will fight wherever injustice is there. Let us see what is going to happen in future. It's already on the rise. Many people, many leaders are in touch with us. They definitely, after your general body, definitely you can see with your own eyes. We are going to get majority. If you have guts, you directly come to us and directly talk to me. I am talking to you people through this video. Why you are using the stooges like Venkateshwarlu, Sunil Manohar, and somebody else? Can't you talk to us? Come to Hyderabad, or I will come to the Mumbai. We will come to the Mumbai. We will come to Delhi. We will talk directly. Why you need the stooges, my dear friends? We have the guts. Moreover, I am not having that much time. Only perhaps this may be the last video for this association because I am really busy. I am telling you, my dear friends, I am really busy with my own work. I have some other work. This association is only I am giving advice, my friends. Still, I request all my friends, unity is our power. Be united. We can convince Bala Ramesh Garu and other people. If you can convince your own leaders, let them sit together and we will form the great and strong and courageous leadership. Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat.